Folks, leo nawapatia deal za mwaka. 2-bedroom apartment master ensuite for 23,000 Kenya shillings inside a gated community. Okay, niko hapa ndani ya Imani Estate, just behind Imani Mall. Behind Imani Mall on Nakuru Eldoret Highway, ingia tu hapo kwa hiyo gated community and you have this beautiful and spacious, extra spacious 2-bedroom units going for just 23,000 Kenya shillings per month. Deal of the year. 3 units to go. So ule ambaye anapata, mimi nataka tu watu watatu. This coming Saturday for my house hunting Saturdays, watu watatu tu. Now the good thing about this place, number one of course ishakwambia gated community. A few minutes to CBD, few minutes to town. Can you imagine? And of course, wameniambia hata kama mtu anataka kuweka Airbnb, unaweza weka. But wale ambao wanakuja with family, I'm telling you, you have got ample parking down there. There's a playground next door whereby the Imani people, they usually do events kutoka pale. You know, people can hire for gardens, weddings, etc. But as long as you're a resident here, pale kuna playground. Hata unaamka tu asubuhi unakimbia around, unafanya tizi yako. There are so many benefits to live that comes with living in here. Wacha niuonyeshe units zenyewe. Nianze tu na hapa nje. Hapa niko kwa balcony, the front balcony. Very huge. Huge is the name. And then of course, you see this door here? So once you lock this, you are in your private space kule, and the other one like that. Okay, so the way the apartment is designed, you just take the stairs. On either side of the staircase, there is one unit. So privacy iko vizuri kabisa. Aya, kujeni ndani niwaambie. Look at this. It is so huge that one can do even a 7-seat couch, and they do a dining table on one end. You feel the echo? I usually tell you, once you get into a room, and then you're feeling echo, just know that room is extra spacious. So here it is, okay? Nishawapanga, si ndio, kwa sitting room. Massive window on this end. Natural light inaingia kwa nyumba vizuri because even on that end, there is nothing blocking you guys from sunlight. And then of course, I appreciate the trees in this compound. Nimewambia ni gated community. The trees in the compound here, ni vile tu saizi ni kiangazi, but once the rain starts, itakuwa green vizuri, fresh air kabisa. Wow, guys, come by running bana. Mimi nataka tu watu watatu. 23,000, chukua hii unit. Sitting room unaweka 7 seat na bado unaweka dining table. Aya. So it has a closed kitchen. So kiingia hivi ndani, kuja hivi Freddy. Simama hii pande. Kuja hivi, lock that door. Ama simama tu hapo. Look at this hallway here. Angalia hii hallway hapa. You know, I once lived in an apartment with this kind of plan. And this space, me and my children, we used to play ball hapa. Na mkikia huko, wanakick. Tunakimbizana hapa. I love apartments that have this hallway here. Okay? Aya, we are talking about space. Then, inside the kitchen, look at the massive kitchen here. And it is well organized. It's straightforward. This is the place for your cooker. Even a 6-burner gas cooker inatoshea hapo. Look at the worktop space that you have here, guys. Ample worktop space on that end. You have a double sink right here. Look at the cabinetries huko juu. Okay? Enough cabinetries. And of course, look at the spacious kitchen here. You know, your fridge will obviously stand somewhere hapa or even at the center here. It is a spacious kitchen. Okay, anyway, spacious, I said it's all around. Whether it is the lounge, the kitchen, the bedrooms, you will see everywhere. Spacious. Now, I'm on the rear balcony. Freddy's mama tu hapo. Let me lock this door again like this. Look at the massive balcony right here. This is the kitchen balcony, rear balcony. Tumetoka kwa front balcony, almost the same size. Now, again here, you have got these grills. Okay, for added security from, let's say, this side. So this side there's a road, but should anybody ever think that maybe anaweza kuja hapa ndani, there is no chance because of these grills hivi zimefixiwa mpaka kule juu. Amazing work. So they added this this chung here where you can do your hanging lines kutoka huku mpaka kule. So this space typically you can hang the light clothes. But kule chini, because kuna kiwanja pale mbele, there's a big field huko mbele, big. Okay? You can also do hanging lines kule chini, you hang the heavy stuff pale. But hapa you can always do light clothes hanging. Now, somebody akaniambia, EZRA natafuta apartment yenye iko na space ya kuweka washing machine iko na hiyo provision nje kwa balcony. Ndio hii socket iko hapo, inlet ya maji iko hapo, outlet iko pale chini. Talk about space for 23,000 Kenya shillings. You guys come by running. Mimi nataka tu watu watatu tu. Mimi nataki watu. I don't want a million people. I just need 3 people only. Aya, let's start. Oh, before I go to the bedrooms, this is the common washroom. Now, well designed again, okay? You know why? Aya, I just don't get inside the loo or inside the bedroom. Oh, not bedroom, the toilet, okay? So hapa kuna again this space hapa, common area. And then hapa sasa there's a sink, pedestal sink, and then now toilet and bath in separate rooms, so that the people using this area, they can use either area concurrently, you know? Aya, sasa nianze hapa kwa guest bedroom 1. Bring your 2 4x6 beds, weke hapa. Unaweka hivi na unaweka hivi. If you don't have a big family ya watu kama hao, hapa tu ni bed moja. And then you have a kiwanja. Just one bed, you have a whole playing field. Hapa hivi in terms of space. The wardrobes ndo hizi hapa, naweza kufungulia tu hivi uone. You know, there they are. That is how they did, you know, the organization hapa. So whether it is 2 residents living in here or 1, whoa, space has been generous here. Now, on this side, I go to the master bedroom. It is huge. I would call it acres of space. This master bedroom hapa. Angalia vile ni huge, honestly. Leta ile 6x6 yako basi. You know, there is a guy tulienda naye house hunting. I saw their bed. Nikakuwa like, ni bedroom gani hiyo bed itaingia? Bed ni 6x6. Huku kando iko sijui na side bed drawers, iko na tukio fulani hapo. Ile pande sijui iko na dressing table. Leta hiyo sasa hiyo bed. Bring the biggest bed you can. This bedroom ita accommodate hiyo kitanda. Now, look at the amount of wardrobes you have here. You have his, hers, baby, or his, hers and sharing. Okay? Yani, so much. These guys have been quite generous. 23K. Mimi natafuta tu watu watatu. Mimi sitaki watu wengi. I don't want a million people. Me just need 3 people willing to pay 23,000 for a spacious apartment in Nakuru with proximity to town and inside a gated community. Mimi nataka tu watu watatu. Now, I just stepped inside the bath. One thing I appreciate here is the non-slippery tiles. Okay, the floor tiles up at the bathroom. Well thought out. And then of course the shower itafixiwa hapa. Shower ziko. Okay, itafixiwa tu hapa at the center, toilet iko huku, and the pedestal sink yake is right here. So, hey, guys, come by running back. Mimi nataka tu watu watatu. Hii place ni hall. Freddy, hebu simama hapa nikimbia hadi huko. This is a hall bana. How do you get this for 23K? 23,000, all of this. 2 balconies, spacious bedrooms, spacious lounge. How do you get this for 23K? So, first come, first serve. Every Saturday, we do this. All right? Hi. Tuenda hapo nje nikuelezee mengi, even as we wind up. Where? Sitting room ni hall. Okay? So, this home, if you ask me, it is perfect for guys who love spacious apartments, and also for those who have big families. This is your space. Kama unataka kuweka Airbnb, unaweza weka pia. Because being proximal to town, being behind a mall, Imani Mall, imagine from here, you are shopping, unaona shopping yako. You just take a walk, a stroll, unaenda pale Imani Mall, unapiga shopping yako. Parking unapark pale. Freddy waonyeshe pale ample parking. Okay, that's why you park your car. Unaona vile nimepark yangu pale chini. So there is a lot of space here inside Imani gated community. Mpaka hapo 0791055678. Mimi nataka tu watu watatu. Mimi sitaki crowd. Just need 3 people. 3. Or before I go, kuhamisha vitu zako. Angalia, stairs ni pana. So hata ukiwa na recliner, hapa kuhamisha vitu zako, it's really easy. Sasa nimeenda kabisa.